Alright, we're here at the Extended Stay America Premier Suites here in Lakeland, Florida. And here's the elevator. Got a ThyssenKrupp elevator with Aurora. Looks like somebody's using it right now, so we'll be waiting for about a minute. And here it is. Let's go down to 1. Cab view. It's a very basic ThyssenKrupp elevator for a hotel. These are your Aurora buttons, phone, floor indicator, capacity is 2500, elevator number 1 with your ThyssenKrupp logo, and there is your certificates. Here we're back at 1. Now we're back at the 4, listen to the motor. Door close does not work. And here we're back at 4. Looks like somebody called the elevator, so we'll end up here. I think it might be the second elevator. I'll have to look around. Anyways, there it goes. I'll walk down here and see there's another elevator. Alright, here we have the elevator. It's another ThyssenKrupp elevator with Aurora. So this button here has been replaced with the mat button. Button doesn't light up, unfortunately, either. And here's the elevator. I'm gonna point the camera away, there's somebody in it. Down to 1. We'll get our cavity going down. It's just like the other elevator. It's a very basic elevator for a hotel. Nothing really too exciting. These are your buttons, Aurora. Phone down there. Floor indicator, capacity is 2500. Elevator number 2. And there's your certificates. I believe both elevators were installed in 2006 Florida records. Anyways, here are 1. Go back to the 4. We'll try to listen to the motor over the fan. Door close does not work, unfortunately. Here we go up. And here are 4. Button already went out. To be honest, this elevator has the better motor of the 2. And this elevator is incredibly busy right now, so I'm going to let the elevator go. And those were 2 ThyssenKrupp elevators here at the Extended Stay America Premier Suites in Lakeland, Florida. Anyways, that will be it.